everybody, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you here. I have a small little unboxing. This is an exciting unboxing because, of course, anything I get from Stampin' Up! Is like Christmas. And if you like to get Christmas from Stampin' Up!, you can always join my team. We have a really great special going on now for $99. You can choose $125 worth of product plus an additional $30 worth of product, plus the following month you get a voucher for even more free products. You get a minimum 20% discount that can increase as your sales go up or you're purchasing. So you don't have to sell a single dollar, penny, anything. You can join just for the discount for yourself, which is great. And then if you choose to just ask some of your friends and family, all the better. But you will get a discount of at the minimum 20%, and so many many more benefits of being a part of the Stampin' Up! Family. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh God, I didn't even cut the packing tape on this one yet. I've been doing a couple unboxings tonight. This, I believe, is my final one. Yes, it is. It's my final one. So I do class in the mail every month, and what this is actually, not to ruin the surprise, but I love these packets. I save these because I repurpose them. I have a whole stack of them. But I do a monthly class in the mail. And look at this. Thank you. You're welcome, Stampin' Up! Thank you. And that's what's in this box, is for those people that purchased my class in the mail. So this was the class in the mail for June. And do I have that close by? I do. I do. This was with the Over the Moon stamp set. So what happens is they purchase the stamp set and the embellishments, and I sent those, well, I will be sending, once I put all these together, a free pack of all the products to create these fun 6 cards. And I know I'm a little washed out there with my light. But, yeah. So if you're interested in something like that, where you receive product in the mail and you get everything pre-cut and pre-scored and ready to go, die cuts and embossed and, you know, everything, be sure to check out my Facebook page at Stampin' Sue Creates and check out my upcoming classes. The current one I have going on right now is a punch art. So it's a punch art kit in the mail. You're making 5 different cards, and you're getting some products, and all your little pieces will be punched out for you, and I'll supply information as to how to assemble them. So it's really fun. So I had 3 people that took part in purchasing the class. So this is something new, so I didn't imagine that I would have 335 people signing on. It's slow for me when you're converting and doing online and in-person events. So everyone will be receiving a pack of these fun faceted dots. And I also have the stamp set. This is the Cling stamp set, Over the Moon, so they'll each get one of those. And then they will also get, which these were on low order, so I had to hurry up and make sure I ordered them, a pack of the 2019-2021 In Color Designer Series paper. And there is more than enough of this. There's more than enough of the faceted dots that you can create even more when your class is over. And just for myself, because I didn't have these yet to go with my ink pads and refills, I got my Stampin' Up! 2019-2021 In Color markers, which I don't know how I overlooked that, but I didn't get them. So anyhow, let's go ahead and take another look at these fun cards. The other thing is, those of you that participated in the class in the mail, you'll be creating all of these cards. You'll also be getting not 1, but 2 extra little surprises from me, just as a thank you for going ahead and taking the plunge for my online class. So there they are. There's the fun cards that, I think I'm going the wrong way. Those are the fun cards that they'll be creating using their little bundle of products. And I don't want to share the what the extra freebies are because I want that to be a surprise when they receive them. So I try to make it very affordable, my classes. When it includes product, of course, I have to cover the cost of the product and the shipping to me and then the shipping to you. But I don't charge a huge amount for my classes because I just, I'm not here to, take advantage of you. I want you to stamp and I want you to enjoy and have fun creating the cards. Now, the class for the punch art, I do have a special running with that where you can actually get the punch art class absolutely free in the mail. So you'll want to go over, and I did a video on that last night for my August punch art class in the mail. So you want to go back and check that out and see, like, hey, maybe you'll get your class for free. But anyhow, it's a lot of fun for me. I have a lot of other demonstrators. There's actually thousands and thousands of demonstrators out there that are so willing to share their ideas, and so I don't come up with all these ideas alone. They're not all my ideas. That's one of the best part of being part of the Stampin' Up! Family, is that you don't have to come up with your own ideas. I've done videos before where I've shared that they do send us a quarterly magazine with lots of ideas too. So, and of course there's all social medias where you can find ideas. But sometimes you just don't, being a customer, you don't have the time to, you don't want to order all the products, So how fun would it be? And I don't want to share, but how fun would it be to get your little packet like this in the mail with your coordinating products and be able to just sit down to stamp, color, and enjoy. So, yeah, be sure to check them out. I would so appreciate your business. And if you're interested in ordering any of these products, I do have a few extra kits available. So the kits would just include the card kits. It wouldn't include any of the products because these are already spoken for, and I'm not allowed to do that. But if you're interested in that, let me know. We can work something out and I can get them to you. But be sure to check them out. I really would appreciate your business and trying to get this online version part of my business going. It's a slow start and it's a slow process, but that's okay. That's totally okay with me. So anyhow, if you have any questions, be sure to email me at stampinsuecreates@gmail.com, or to order any product and to check out the current host code, be sure to check out my online store at www.stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net. So alright everyone, thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you back here again real soon. Alright everyone, bye-bye.